Hey everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you continue to have a wonderful day. Many thanks for stopping by Dancing Critter Acres. My name's Dean. Alright guys, yesterday, Sunday, I stood, as you can see behind me, my freestanding hay feeder. I put the stabilizers on the bottom and that. And this is just time-lapse, sped up with some music as I was doing the stuff. And that's about it. We got the bucks moved over here. So let's get to her. I don't know if I'll be able to pick her up. Should hold up to a goat. So we'll get this side done up, ready for the box. I'll probably stomp some paths down in the snow. You can hear my buddy Triton. So guys, I hope I gave a little chuckle as you guys watch me try to stand this thing up and get it wiggled around and that. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. As always, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you continue to have a wonderful day. Many thanks for stopping by the channel. You guys take care of yourselves. Best wishes to each and every one of you. Look forward to catching you guys in the next video. This is Dean from Dancing Critter Acres, signing off. Bye, everybody.